Welcome to this new Visual Basic lesson. In today's lesson, we will cover the topic of determining object type. In this project, we will work with two functions. The first one is the type name function. So I'm gonna double click the button to access its click event. And here I'm gonna start type some code. I'm gonna first declare an integer variable. I'm gonna say dim I as integer equals 0, and I'm gonna use the type name function in order to display the name of my variable. So we use the type name function to store or display a name of an object. So I'm gonna say message box that show, and here I'm gonna do the following. I'm gonna say type name. This is the function, and I'm gonna pass the variable I. I'm gonna save this, click the start button, and I'm gonna click the button, and here it's telling me that my variable I is in fact an integer. Okay, so if I wanna declare another variable, for example, I'm gonna say dim as short equals 0, and here I'm gonna pass s. Save it and debug it again. It's gonna show me my s variable is short. We can also do this, dim st as string equals empty string, and here I'm gonna pass a message, your variable type is okay, and here and st. Okay, let's run it. Bring this here. Your variable type is a string, and this is basically one way to find the name of an object. There is another way to find the name of an object and to test an object, and that is by using the type of is operator. Okay, let's go back here. I'm gonna bring this down. I'm gonna give you an example of how we use the type of is operator. So I'm gonna come here. I'm just gonna check for an object. Is, and I'm gonna come to the text box, drag and drop it here, Control C, Control V, and another one here. Okay, basically the way we clear controls is by a simple way. Basically, to clear controls is by doing the following. I'm gonna comment this out, Control KC to comment everything. Okay, so the simple way to clear controls is by doing this. Me that text box 1, for example, that text equals empty string. Alright, and if we run it, we type something here, then we click here and it clears it. But if we want to clear all of them, what we have to do is do this like that. So 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and run it. And now if I type here and here and here, and now it's cleared, but that's not a good way to write the code. So we are going to use the type of is operator to do the work for us. So the way to do this is to come here and say dim ctl as control. Then we're going to use the for each loop for each ctl in controls. Okay, you need to first check if type of ctl, if the type of the control is text box, then do the following: ctl that we're gonna access the text property, okay, equals empty string. Okay, this is a better way to do the job. So I'm gonna save all, run it, come here, and again type some text, and click, and it's all cleared just by using the type of is operator to check for the control and then to work with it. With this we come to the end of this lesson. I thank you for watching, and you have a good day.